Could a day come when artificial intelligence outperforms human doctors in diagnosing ailments and communicating results? This intriguing question is what we'll delve into today, as we explore a fascinating research paper from Google. The protagonist of our story is the Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer, or AMI. This is not your typical AI chatbot. AMI is a large language model designed to collect medical information, conduct clinical conversations, analyze symptoms described by users, ask questions, and even predict diagnoses. The inception of AMI was marked by rigorous testing. In a randomized experiment, 20 mock patients with fabricated illnesses were introduced to AMI, alongside 20 professional primary care physicians. The patients, unaware of whether they were interacting with AMI or a human physician, were asked to rate the quality of their interactions. The results were somewhat surprising. The majority of mock patients preferred their interactions with AMI to those with the human physicians across the 149 case scenarios tested in the trial. The AI chatbot, they said, was better at understanding their concerns, more empathetic, clearer, and more professional in its replies. What's more, AMI seemed more accurate at diagnosing medical issues. But before we get ahead of ourselves, Google offers a word of caution. While the results seem promising, it's important to remember that primary care physicians and patients usually interact in person and can build relationships over time. Clinicians also have more access to other types of information than just text descriptions when making diagnoses. The aim is not to replace primary care physicians. Google's vision is that AI chatbots like AMI can be useful tools to support patients who might not have access to healthcare. However, deploying such a system in the real world is risky and will require more work to use it responsibly. As the Google team concluded in their paper, translating from this limited scope of experimental simulated history-taking and diagnostic dialogue towards real-world tools for people and those who provide care for them requires significant additional research and development to ensure the safety, reliability, fairness, efficacy, and privacy of the technology. In the end, if successful, AI systems like AMI could be at the forefront of next-generation learning health systems, helping to scale world-class healthcare to everyone. To recap, Google's AI chatbot, AMI, showed promise in a simulated experiment for diagnosing medical issues and communicating results. However, the limitations of the study and the complex nature of real-world medical practice mean that we are not yet at a point where AI can replace human physicians. The goal is to use AI to support patients, particularly those with limited access to healthcare, and to scale world-class healthcare to everyone. If you find this type of news events intriguing, do consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more. Thank you for joining us.